Hey, welcome to Church Film School. I'm Chris Francis, and I will be your guide on this wonderful and sometimes challenging journey of making awesome films for your church. Now, as a pastor's kid, I've literally spent my entire life behind the scenes of the church, and I know exactly how it feels to have big ambitions but limited resources. And actually, for the past 16 years, I've created videos for some of the smallest congregations and some of the biggest mega churches in America. And that's why I created Church Film School, to teach you everything you need to know, regardless of how big your church is or what kind of gear you have, to make authentic and compelling videos for your church. Now, to get started on some of our awesome free resources, I would highly recommend subscribing to this YouTube channel and to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the rad stuff that we've got coming up. I'd also recommend heading on over to churchfilmschool.com for all sorts of tips, tricks, and tutorial goodness.